The staff is very knowledgeable. One of my module leaders, Shirley, she shows us graphs of how popular each technology is. So she'll teach us the top two most popular in the industry. She'll teach us those technologies because she knows that's what employers are looking for these days. I would say go through all the modules and make sure that those are the modules that you want to learn. Don't just look at the name of the course. And you can also talk to students. The university has services where they allow you to talk to older students from that course. There is an international society, and I'm from India, so there is also a whole Indian society. And in the Indian society, there's different parts of India. So I'm from the southern part of India, and there's a society just for that. So there's all kinds of diversity and a lot of help. So I've made friends from those societies because there's a lot of group work. Even in the first lecture, we were split into teams, and the friends that I made in that first lecture are still the closest. They're the closest friends I have right now in the course.